White Squirrel here with another quick scrap. Here we have a Barber Coleman governor. It's an electric governor, governs the speed of motors. This one was on another generator set. I seem to be doing lots of generator jobs lately. This controls the fuel linkage, so it's nice and heavy. It weighs about 25 pounds as is. I've never taken one fully apart, so anxious to see what's inside. There's pretty much a big solenoid. We have the coil that's controlled, powered up. Big magnet and rotor on the inside. And depending on the voltage that went through it, input up there, it would change the height of our armature. And in turn, that would relay the signal to the linkages. Nice and simple. So on this quick scrap of this electric governor assembly, we've got a total of 6 pounds of aluminum. We've got 5 pounds of copper. That's a solid chunk I can throw into the scrap bin just like that. And 15 pounds of white metal. All of this took about 12 minutes. I like to hang on to these electric governors whenever I find them because I guess not many people take them apart and keep the copper out of them. So I find them often, and their loss is my gain.